reform, and we really need it now.
A gathering in front of the White House. Handwritten notes to President Obama to protest Arizona's tough immigration law. Tuesday, the Obama administration filed the biggest protest yet, suing the state. The federal lawsuit claims Arizona crossed a constitutional line that guarantees federal law supersedes state law. The suit argues that a patchwork of state and local policies would disrupt federal immigration enforcement. The Arizona law requires police to ask for proof of legal status if there is a reasonable suspicion the person is in the country illegally. It would be the first time illegal immigration would violate a state law in addition to a federal law.
Well, welcome everyone.
At an immigration event last month, VOA asked Homeland Security Secretary Janet Napolitano if she would comment on the impending lawsuit.
No.
But she went on to say,
enforcement along this border in those border states is primarily a federal responsibility. That we do that and need more manpower, more technology, more infrastructure to assist. That's part of our plan.
Arizona is the largest gateway into the U.S. for illegal immigrants and is home to an estimated 460,000 people who entered the country illegally. Supporters of the law say the federal government has not done enough to combat the problem.
I'll send you both the memorandums so we can take it from there.
Colby May is with the conservative American Center for Law and Justice.
Arizona's not trying to regulate immigration here. They're not saying who can come and who can go. They're simply passing a law that mirrors what the federal government has had on its books for 40 years. And in that context, what is it that seems to be so shocking that the federal government is surprised by?
Steve Vladeck teaches constitutional law at American University. He believes the courts will uphold the Constitution's supremacy clause and rule against Arizona.
I don't think they have the power to do it, but I think they have accomplished what they wanted to at the beginning, which was to start a national conversation about immigration policy and about immigration reform.
Justice! The federal government is requesting an injunction to stop Arizona from enforcing the law when it takes effect later this month. With both sides vowing to fight, this battle could eventually end up here at the U.S. Supreme Court. Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.